Hey boy, you look exhausted. You're never normally this quiet at the cafe.
I am exhausted, girl. My night job at the bakery is intense, and the pay barely covers my rent. I feel stuck.
I'm sorry to hear that. I know how passionate you are about cooking. You always make the best food here.
Thanks, but passion doesn't pay the bills. My dream is to work in a real kitchen, learn culinary skills, and eventually open my own place. But I can't afford the proper training program.
Have you looked into the culinary scene downtown? There are always restaurants looking for dedicated people, even for entry-level positions.
I have, but they all ask for professional kitchen experience or a diploma. My experience is mostly home cooking and those late shifts at the bakery doing basic prep work.
Don't undersell yourself. Your speed and efficiency are amazing. What are your best professional traits?
I'm extremely focused under pressure. The bakery gets chaotic. I understand food safety regulations, and I'm a naturally clean and organized worker.
That's valuable. My aunt owns a very popular gourmet sandwich shop and catering business, The Daily Bread. She's been looking for a reliable person to help with prep and kitchen organization.
Really? A gourmet shop? I would love to learn from a professional kitchen like that. Would I need a full culinary degree?
She values raw talent and dedication more than degrees. The job starts as a kitchen assistant, helping with meal preparation, inventory, and maintaining kitchen hygiene.
That sounds exactly like the kind of practical experience I need to build my career. What about the pay and the working hours?
The hours are daytime, which is much better than the night shift. The pay is good, and you'd get free meals, which saves money. She also gives great yearly performance reviews and raises.
That is a fantastic opportunity. How quickly can I submit my application? What should I prepare?
She likes a simple resume focusing on your relevant skills, speed, cleanliness, and your enthusiasm for food. I'll tell her about your strong work ethic right now.
Please do. I feel a genuine sense of hope now. This could be my big break.
I'll send you her contact details for an informal chat. Be sure to highlight your knowledge of kitchen hygiene and your speed.
I will. Thank you for thinking of me. You've given me a real chance to pursue my dreams.
Hey boy, I spoke to my aunt. She wants you to come in for a trial shift tomorrow morning.
A trial shift? That's great news. I will show her my commitment. What time should I be there?
Be there at 7 a.m. sharp. Punctuality is non-negotiable in the kitchen. Remember, this is your chance to make a lasting first impression.
7 a.m. Understood. I'll set 2 alarms. What kind of tasks should I be ready for?
Mostly vegetable prep, basic pastry folding, and organizing the walk-in fridge. They value attention to detail immensely.
Thank you for the insider tips. I feel prepared now. What if I make a mistake during the rush hour?
Everyone makes mistakes. The key is to stay calm, communicate clearly, and learn from the error. Show her you have great problem-solving skills.
I will keep my focus and stay calm. This will be the hardest I have ever worked.
I have complete faith in you. You have the drive and the talent. Now go get ready.
I will. Thank you again for your endless support.
Hello, boy. How did the trial go yesterday? I'm on the edge of my seat.
Girl, I got a call from your aunt. I got the job. I start next week.
That is absolutely fantastic. Congratulations. You deserve this success.
I would never have had this game-changing opportunity without your recommendation. Thank you for believing in me.
Nonsense. Your passion for cooking and your effort earned this. I'm just happy to see your career trajectory finally moving up.
I'm going to throw away my delivery bag and buy my first real set of chef's knives. I'm so excited for this new chapter.
I know you are. Now you focus on your new job. You are a true asset to any kitchen.
I will work hard and eventually fulfill my dream. Thank you for everything, my friend.
You're welcome, Ethan. I'll stop by the Daily Bread on Monday for a celebratory sandwich.